A very warm welcome to the start of Bradford Manufacturing Week. A sincere thanks to all our guests. It's you and the hundreds of other students from Bradford schools. You're what Bradford Manufacturing Week is all about. To everyone involved, have a great Manufacturing Week.
Alexandra Fogel from Barclays Corporate, we're the financial sponsor for the Bradford Manufacturing Week. We see a massive opportunity in the skills gap and how we can help inspire young people into the manufacturing sector.
I fully enjoyed the week, to be honest, because it allows you to learn a lot more about apprenticeships and going into the industry of manufacturing and getting experience.
Like seeing all this and kind of getting insight into manufacturing, definitely have like more of an interest in it now. More females should be working in it and it should be more equal. And so yeah, it's been very cool to learn about it.
Yeah, it's been a really amazing week because we've gone to different places and seen what actually happens on the production line. But when I'm older, I want to become an engineer and hopefully get on an apprenticeship when I finish school.
Bradford Manufacturing Week has been a really great thing for us. We're involved in apprenticeship programmes already, but we're also looking at funding and they've provided some really important advice to us about what we can do for our business.
I've had a great morning here and met lots of interesting people and found out even more about Bradford Manufacturing Week and looking forward to next year's event.
We were involved in Bradford Manufacturing Week last week, which went brilliantly. We had 4 schools through our doors, probably about 35 students. We've had some fantastic feedback from the schools and the students already saying how much they enjoyed it.